a robot really solve a maze all by itself? And can we build it in just a few minutes using a free online simulator? Today we're using VEX VR to create a maze solver robot that navigates completely on its own using simple coding logic. We start by opening VEX VR and selecting the maze or wall maze environment. Then we place the robot at the starting point and get ready to program its behavior. The goal is not manual control, but making the robot think and react on its own. The idea is simple. The robot moves forward as long as the path is clear. When it detects a wall, it stops and makes a decision. It checks for an open path, usually turning and following the wall until it finds the correct direction. This is called a wall-following algorithm, and it's widely used in real robotics. In VEX VR, we build this using a forever loop. The robot constantly checks its sensors. If something is in front, it turns. If the path is free, it keeps moving forward. This loop repeats again and again, creating smart behavior from simple rules. Now we run the simulation. The robot starts moving, hits a wall, turns, adjusts its path, and keeps going until it reaches the exit completely on its own. And that's it, a simple logic that turns into an intelligent maze solver. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more robotics and AI simulations like this.